Discover how top e-commerce brands leverage best marketing strategy quizzes to increase conversions and maximize revenue. Let's look at a simple Shopify quiz in action. Users are guided through a few quick questions. Where would you like to sell? Is this shop for a new or existing business? What do you plan to sell? What's your store name? Each response builds toward a personalized outcome. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow's AI-powered platform. Navigate to the AI Marketing Tools section from the main menu. You'll discover a comprehensive suite of specialized AI tools designed for various marketing objectives. For those seeking an integrated solution, we also offer an all-in-one AI marketing tool. Click the Try Now button and provide a clear prompt. For example, create a quiz that helps e-commerce brands uncover their optimal marketing strategy. Within seconds, our AI engine generates a complete quiz framework, including strategically crafted questions, multiple choice options, and personalized outcome pages. AI provides the foundation. You bring the strategy. If you'd like to make adjustments, simply describe your desired changes conversationally. Once you're satisfied with the results, type Save it to proceed. You'll now see two options. Visit Preview to review the quiz experience, or Edit Live on Outgrow's Builder to access advanced customization features. Selecting the Builder option redirects you to Outgrow's comprehensive editing platform. This is where your quiz transforms from a template to a tailored experience. Begin by editing the welcome page. Incorporate clean, high-resolution visuals that align with your brand aesthetic. Modifying questions or answer options is intuitive. Simply click any element to customize it instantly. Design your outcome pages strategically. Each result should spotlight a specific trend, explain its current relevance, identify the ideal audience, and articulate why it's worth exploring now. This creates value beyond product recommendations. Now for the intelligence layer, map specific answer combinations to relevant recommendations based on their responses. Navigate to the Design tab for the final polish. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, select custom fonts, and adjust layouts. The goal? Your quiz should feel like a seamless, native extension of your e-commerce store, not an external tool. That's the complete process. You've successfully transformed an AI-generated quiz into a fully branded, trend-driven, conversion-optimized e-commerce asset using Outgrow. Ready to transform your e-commerce strategy? Create your first AI-powered marketing strategy quiz in minutes. Start building your quiz now.